guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Desiree if you're new here. If not, welcome back, girl. We are just coming off of Thanksgiving. It is currently December 2nd. It is a Monday and the kids went back to school. Praise Jesus, hallelujah. These kids had a whole week off of school, you guys. Not to sound like that old mom or sound like them old timers, but when I was in school, we had Thursday, which was Thanksgiving, and then Friday, and then we was back in school Monday. They get a whole week. But nevertheless, these kids have been home all week and have been running around the house like mad people, okay? We spent Thanksgiving here at home. It was just me and the kids. We didn't go to anybody's house. Nobody came over here. My husband is gone. It was just me and the kids. So we had a seafood boil and it was good, okay? We had the crabs, the potatoes, the eggs, the everything, okay? I said all that to say the house is a mess, okay? The garage, it smells like, you know, if you eat garlic crabs a lot, you know that smell, that buttery, garlicky smell. That's what it smells like. The house, I don't even know if you can see all this behind me. It's a mess, honey, a mess. So today I was like, I'm gonna drop these kids off. And before I do anything, I'm gonna dedicate a good 3 hours to just cleaning up as much as I can clean up in those 3 hours. So we are going to attempt to clean this whole entire house. You heard that right. This whole entire house in 3 hours. Because I still have work I need to do and I cannot spend all day cleaning. But I need my house to be tidied up. So the plan is to go room by room and to tackle what I need to tackle. To do is finish folding laundry. I caught up on most of it yesterday, but I still have like 2 loads that needs to be, you know, folded and put away. And the last major thing I need to do is get rid of all these Amazon boxes over here because they're piling up at the door and it's starting to, you know, a cluttered house equals cluttered mind to me. And I'm starting to feel a little not right. So we need to go ahead and tidy up. So that's what we plan to do. Girl, I have my coffee, even though it's literally almost gone. I'm about to put on a podcast or a sermon or something like that on my phone. Yeah, we gonna get to it. I don't know if this is gonna be a voiceover or if I should just let the music play. I don't know. I might do a little bit of both. But, oh, you know what? I'm gonna watch Maya Graves. I don't know if y'all know of her or not, but I've been like really into her videos lately. So I might listen to her Christian Girl Chat video, put on my AirPods and just keep it moving. I think I'm gonna start in the front room up here because it's the messiest and clear all that stuff out and then move from room to room. So let's go ahead and get started, honey, because the more I sit here and talk to this camera, the more time I'm wasting.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
currently 12:23 and I'm calling it quits right here. I started at 9 something this morning, so it's been about 3 hours. I said I was just gonna set a 3-hour time limit, and that was it. Whatever got done in those 3 hours got done, and whatever didn't is gonna have to wait till tomorrow or another day when I have time. Like I said, I didn't get to mop or really deep clean my bathroom or fold the clothes like I wanted to, but it's okay. You know, you don't have to fit everything in to one day. I'm not gonna overwork or stress myself. I haven't had lunch yet. I need to go get me something to eat because I still have work to do before I pick up these kids, okay? Also, I didn't clean the kids areas because I watch a lot of clean with me's, and I don't know about other people, but my kids, they gonna help clean, okay? I'm not gonna be cleaning this whole house by myself, all right? So yeah, these kids are responsible for their bathroom, their rooms, their play loft area, and really they are responsible for the kitchen. So, but I went ahead and did what I could today. But yeah, the room has been tidied, the living room has been picked up, the kitchen has been wiped down. The real thing that I wanted to get done was that front room, and I'm glad it looks amazing. But yeah, you guys, that is it. If you like these clean with me type of videos, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know, because I like making these clean with me's. It gets me motivated, and hopefully it helps y'all get motivated too. So let me know. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.